In today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can convert a 1D NumPy array to a two-dimensional NumPy array. First of all, we want to import NumPy as MP. After that, we want to create a one-dimensional array using a list for initialization. So, specify array A to be a one-dimensional array with elements 1 to 6. We can also check the shape of the array by using the .shape attribute of array A. As we can see, the result is that we have 6 elements and only one dimension. A very simple way to add a new dimension is to use numpy.newAxis operation. What this does is that adds a new axis. So let's check it out. We will create A2 and we can see that the new axis is added as a row. We can also visualize A2 very easily. And we can see here that the previous array is turned into a vector of another array. Let's check it out. Specifically, when we use numpy.newAxis as the first element of a new array, what we do is that we ask for the previous vector to become a row vector, meaning that the previous vector will be just the new row of the new array. We can also add dimensions in terms of columns. For example, if we use numpy.newAxis as in the second position, what we essentially do is that we turn A into a column vector. So, previous array, the one-dimensional array, will be just column of the new two-dimensional array called vector. Let's check it out. So here we see that we have 6 rows and 1 column, because our row before was like 6 elements long. So these 6 elements are used as columns right now. We can also use the numpy.expand dimension. What you do here is give as argument the one-dimensional array and also the axis parameter. The axis is used to control whether this could be a row vector or a column vector. For axis equals to 1, what we see here is that it is a column vector. So these two operations are pretty much identical. We can also use numpy.expand dimensions with axis equals to 0. What this will do is that it will turn A into a row vector in the array C. So if we check out the shape of C, it will be 1 row and 6 columns. It will be 1 row with 6 column values. So this is how you can actually convert a one-dimensional to a two-dimensional array. And by using the .shape operation, you can check the result of your conversion. numpy.newAxis and numpy.expand dimensions are the two things that you need to know in order to do this operation.